What is up guys, Shamsi back here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to dress your engine bay. You wrap your wires and whatnot. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and it's Shamsi signing out. Peace. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is what my engine bay looks like now. I plan on putting an air filter and a Lego box cover on it. Let me know what other mods you guys want me to do, and Shamsi signing out once again. Peace.